political budget.
These are all indirect measures to boost consumer spending. What we need to realize is all this job creation, 80 lakh job creation that Vishnu, everyone has been talking about, this is actually going to come not fueled by the large metros. This will primarily have to be driven by new job creators. And these new job creators are people like me, entrepreneurs, small startups. One of the simplest ways that we can achieve this is to kind of bring about a unified platform for logistics, for last mile delivery. We pass on the benefits from these spending to the rural areas where these accrued spendings can be utilized by startups, by business to consumer companies in rural areas. Now, non-metro job creation is not talked about as much, but that is the need of the hour. Our current GDP is pegged quite low at about 6.5 to 7%, and in my opinion, this is primarily because of the dearth in access to capital. It has become quite a tough ecosystem, even despite being the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. The tax regime for attracting investment is so cumbersome that if you want to create these jobs, you have to simplify the tax regime. One of the ways that we can kind of do that is to revitalize the economy, simplify the ease of doing business at whatever scale across India.
Okay, so the ease of doing business will be the buzzword, and even as we look at those visuals that is now will start coming in from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. But political budget or populist budget or middle class budget?
Thank you. Again, a very pertinent question. My co-panelist termed it very well, but I differ with her on a couple of points. I would think that the government for the last couple of years has done extremely well for the economy in terms of, I mean, it's been tabled yesterday, the economic survey. India's economy is very strong and stable in the face of global headwinds. We are right now in the middle of two wars, inflation abroad, the inflation which is affecting us in terms of oil prices, all of that. But I think the government has steered through all of this very well. So I do not think it's going to be an all in all out populist budget. I think the focus on fiscal consolidation, on infrastructure, on meaningful development will remain. What I think the industry and the larger country at large is looking for is, of course, measures which will actually help this unequal growth which has happened in terms of consumption power need to be given to the middle class. Let's understand, middle class is also not what it used to be 77 years ago. We have expanded like how